This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we're going to quickly show how to install the left and right roping zipper feet on the Ultrafeed LSZ-1 sewing machine. When removing the outside presser foot, we recommend you lift the presser foot lift lever in the up position and turn the balance wheel so the feet are at the highest position. Having the feet at the highest position allows for an easier removal process of the outside presser foot. A flathead screwdriver like this one comes standard with all of our machines, but loosening these screws can be difficult. If you find it difficult, use a larger screwdriver. Simply release the single screw, allowing the outside presser foot to come free. There's no need to remove the screw completely, just enough to remove the foot. When installing the roping zipper foot left, make sure the presser foot bracket is at its highest position, as it is here. Now, slide the presser foot underneath the screw and push it up so it rests firmly against the outside presser bar bracket. Lightly tighten down the screw, then rotate the balance wheel so that the feed dogs are at their highest position up. Lower the presser foot lift lever in the down position and make sure the presser feet teeth mesh with the feed dogs. Doing this ensures the presser foot is level and snug against the screw, then tighten down the screw. Rotate the balance wheel to check for proper movement of the presser feet. The roping zipper foot left should lift up about 2 to 3 millimeters, then drop down flush with the needle plate. The center foot should rise and drop in a similar manner, one after the other. When installing the roping zipper foot right, the process is exactly the same. Make sure the presser foot bracket is at its highest position, slide the presser foot underneath the screw, push it up, then lightly tighten down the screw. Rotate the balance wheel so the feed dogs are in their highest position up. Lower the presser foot lever in the down position. Make sure the presser feet teeth mesh with the feed dogs, then tighten down the screw. Lastly, check to make sure there's proper movement of the presser feet. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to contact Sailrite. Thanks for watching.